goodness, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I have been down for the count. I have been bedridden, sick as a dog. I sound awful. I look disgusting. I realize, though, I hadn't wished you guys Happy New Year. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 2023, and of course, Happy New Year. I could lay in bed every single day the entire year feeling bad for myself, or I could get up and get after it. We're back, baby. We don't sound good. We don't look good. We're back. You know, as a wise man once said, thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, and thank you for pain. Most importantly, thank you for being I literally just dropped the camera, caught it midair. And also, thank you for Sophia. Sophia's back from British Columbia. Oh my gosh, okay, that was insane. Yeah, we're headed off to Lamborghini Salt Lake. Oh my gosh! R.I.P. the front splitter right there. Oh. Round two. Let's go. Hi. You didn't even look. You didn't even look. We're good. We're good. I think Sophia kind of squealed right there. Course mode in a Lamborghini event and it will change your life. Every single time I come to Lamborghini of Salt Lake City, I am so confused. What in the world is that thing? Like, where did that come from? That's okay, wow, my voice is squeaking. It's an Atlas of sorts. What in the world? So off camera, Sophia is making fun of my squeak game right now. We got the Huracan STO, but like, what is that thing? Look at that. We are swapping out the Aventador for the Murcielago. You're never gonna guess, the Aventador is broken. And also out of absolutely nowhere, we have the A12 GTS. Well, just like that, we are back in the Lamborghini Murcielago. Now, we have good news, we got bad news. The good news is the annual service is taken care of. The bad news is the window regulator still does not function, and that's because this part, a window regulator, is $3,000 on a Murcielago. So we ordered the part, it's gonna be here in like 6 weeks. I still cannot get over this thing, and he's pulling it with his Range Rover, like that thing is squatted down to the max. So I've heard, it's called an Atlas, it's built in the Ukraine, it's $200,000, and supposedly it's street legal. Should we buy one? If today's video, Sophia, if today's video gets 178,000, no, I can't afford it. I can't afford it. I can't afford it. Okay, we're not buying it. Now we're gonna be back here at Lamborghini Salt Lake later this afternoon. We got amazing news on the Ferrari 458. Those tires are absolutely enormous. They must be like 75s? I don't even know. So it's fully amphibious, $200,000. You know, the more I think about it, maybe we need one. We can't afford it, but I think we need one. You know, I've realized the best part about getting my car serviced, I get a full detail. Like, this dashboard is absolutely spotless. Another key detail to note, the airbag warning light is still illuminated. And that's because to replace that part is $10,000. Also, it's not in stock. So for the time being, we have no passenger airbag. We're gonna drive very slow the remainder of the journey. We're making a quick pit stop here at the orthodontist for one reason and one reason only. That Mercedes-Benz does not know how to park, but then also, what do you guys think of the gradient? Oh, that's her right there. You know what? We're gonna leave right now because I was just about to insult it. I was about to insult the wrap, and she's walking right up. Okay, we gotta get out of here. I feel so bad. I was legit gonna insult that wrap. It's not that I hate it. I like the gradient. The cream is a weird choice, but what do you guys think about gradients? And the reason I ask that, I've been thinking about doing a gradient on the Aventador. It's gonna be full carbon fiber. Full carbon fiber to a paint gradient will be kind of sort of cool. Well, I just realized I made a mistake, Miss Sophia, and I need to correct the record. The passenger airbag is totally fine. It's the driver's airbag.
I think you need some glasses.
I need a lot of things. Oscar, your 4th birthday's coming up. Bye, happy birthday. So an oil change and a full service come on a manual Murcielago, $1,671.85. I also have one more thing that I really want to share with you guys. I finally got my custom vanity plate for the Murcielago, 401k LOL. Now the meaning behind this plate is kind of sort of dorky, but I'll try to explain. Everybody in my entire life has told me I need to plan for the future, I need to have a retirement plan, and instead I bought a manual Murcielago. In the 2 years I've owned this car, it has doubled in value, and I would reckon the rate of return on a manual Murcielago far exceeds the rate of return on any 401k in the world. So 401k, LOL. And on that bombshell, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by ShipStation. Now, I first started working with ShipStation 2.5 years ago as StradMerch, and it has completely transformed my business. It saves me time, it saves me money, but it also saves me the stress of shipping logistics. If you have your own business, you already know shipping is one of the most important aspects of a business. It's also one of the most annoying, tedious processes. If you've been on the fence about working with ShipStation, right now there is no better time. There's a 2-month free trial, and the setup process is super easy. 130,000 companies have worked with ShipStation to grow their business, and 98% of companies that work with ShipStation for 1 year are customers for life. Now, maybe you have an Amazon, maybe you have an Etsy, an eBay, maybe you're a Shopify seller. Well, with ShipStation, you can consolidate all your orders into one simple interface. And with enterprise solutions to make warehouse optimization easy, ShipStation scales when you do. You can automate almost any routine shipping task. You can print out shipping labels, you can compare delivery times, delivery rates, and with ShipStation, you can get up to 86% off UPS and USPS rates. That's right, up to 86% off. And it's truly just that easy. 2.5 years ago as StradMerch, I made the decision to start working with ShipStation, and it has transformed my business. Make the new year your best year and grow your business with ShipStation. Go to ShipStation.com/StradMan today and sign up for a free 60-day trial. That's ShipStation.com/StradMan. Well, you're never gonna guess. We're back at Lamborghini Salt Lake City. This is effectively our second home. So you guys have been wondering what happened to the Ferrari 458. It has been here for a very, very long time, but she's finally coming on home. And officially back from the dead. Oh, one of my all-time favorite cars. Nothing sounds like an NA V8 Ferrari 458. Dude, Kent is getting better at revving too. He's improving. I can tell you watched my last video.
I did.
You've improved. That's all we can ask for.
No more baby revs.
No more baby revs. Dude, thank you for everything. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
And just like the Murcielago, we got a free detail. And check out the floor mats. We got the full plaid action. This is the cleanest you guys are ever gonna see this car. So enjoy this view because in about 5 minutes she's gonna be filthy. Well, it was a fun day at Lamborghini of Salt Lake, but it was a very, very expensive day. We dropped $1,600 on the Murcielago and the 458, $10,471. We replaced both the fuel pumps, which are not cheap. And then, of course, we also dropped off the Aventador Coupe. Hopefully, nothing's broken on that either. So, yeah, fun day, but very expensive. So, I actually dropped this car off in August, which means Sophia's never actually even ridden in it. And she sounds so good. So good. I'm telling you guys, the more and more I drive Ferraris, the more I realize, you know what? Maybe I am a Ferrari guy. Maybe I should wear Ferrari merchant. Where is the logo? There's the logo. The logo's right there. Maybe I should wear Ferrari merchandise every day. Wait for it, Patience. This is such a good. Oh, what? Are you kidding me? What? That Touareg just did me dirty. What? Are you kidding me? The audacity. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna go home. I just realized it makes sense. It's a V6, bruh. Get a V8. So this is actually pretty crazy. I dropped off the 458 back in August. We moved into this house in September, which means this car has never one single time driven up the driveway. It's never been in the garage. Ferrari 458, welcome to home sweet home. Now, it's not necessarily that we should, it's more that we can. You gotta rev some. I don't want any baby revs. Full send, 9,000. I know, I'm pretty tall, what can I say? So Sophia demanded that I take her for a ride in the Ferrari 812 Superfast because the last time you rode in it, it did not have the brilliant exhaust. So I am pleasing you. It's not that I want to drive the 812, I have to drive the 812. Also, in other news, check out what is back to home sweet home. The Bugatti Veyron has landed back here in Utah, and it cost me a lot of money, but 812. You know how to work one of these?
Yes, right here.
Cold start of 812. It's gonna be very loud, so headphone users, see you. So bad. Oh my gosh. I forgot, this thing is an absolute banshee. She is so loud. Let the record state, I don't want to do this. I'm being forced to do this. I don't have a choice. Oh! Just push through and persevere! Cold tires, 800 horsepower. That was a lot of wheel spin. Shake and bake nation, welcome to 2023. We are back, round 2. Absolutely. Go. Yes, yes. I love this car so much. I am a Ferrari guy. I love Ferraris. Okay, this is not good for my health. This is not good for my health. This thing is a menace. What? I know I shouldn't do it, but I'm going to. Oh, goodness. Oh, it's so good. This car is so good. I gotta admit, it feels pretty good to have the 458 back in the stable. We have both the Ferraris together for the very first time. We also have some very cool upgrades here on the garage. You might notice the quartz columns are now in place. I think it really ties in the brick really nicely. There's not too much brick. You can also see the windowsills are also lined in quartz. Now they still need to add the grout right here. They still need to clean it up, like it's still pretty dusty, but it looks really, really good, which begs the question, for the garage, what do we do next? I wanna do something for the ceiling. I need to get some ceiling fans, but I think the floor, probably the floor next. Now I'm very excited to announce we have a special celebrity guest. His 4th birthday is later this week. Come on, show us your trick, Oscar. Come on, there you go. Good boy, good boy. Where'd you learn that? Did Sophia teach you that? Oscar, hey, where are you going? Oh, that's your toy. Yeah, you get that guy, you get that guy. Where'd you learn that trick, bud? You're gonna escape now, you little floofball. Your birthday's later this week. Come on. Yes, let's go, let's go. We gotta see him in the closet. We gotta show him the closet. Come on, bud. Got the closet. Let's go. Let's go. Now, today's video is pretty much over, but before you click away, I wanna take you guys on a quick tour of my master closet. Turned out absolutely amazing. Now, I'm not a big shoe guy, but this shoe-like display case is so sick. I love the embedded LED light strip. It creates the coolest illumination effect. We got the purple lobsters. We got the Ferrari Puma Nikes. I got all sorts of Ferrari gear. I got a Ferrari watch as well. I don't know what's going on. We have artifacts from Tanzania. I got this carving when I climbed Mount Kilimanjaro. We got the 3D model of the barn dominium. This was the dream house before the dream house. We got my shoe collection. Why I have so many shoes, I have absolutely no idea. We got all the clothes right there. We got my model car collection. We got a baby Mr. Sheep. This is one of my coolest possessions. Derek Jeter autographed baseball. I got that when I was 12 years old. One of the craziest moments of my life. We got more shoes right there. We got merchandise. We got more merchandise. We got unopened Strat backpacks. I got Lego sets. So that is a quick tour of the master closet. Now the 458 is back. The Murcielago is back. The Veyron is back. We're gonna be going to Florida to get the Countach very, very soon. We got updates on the Gallardo. The Aventador is being serviced. But on that bombshell from the master closet, today's video is over. Please do not break any windows. That's all I ask. Don't break any windows. Ready? Yep. All right. Goodness, you okay?
I'm good.
You have something you want to say?
I'm good.
All right, let's go.